What's the meaning of atomizer? Atomizer. Atomizer.
Atomizer. Atomizer. An atomizer is a device that breaks down liquid into a fine mist or spray. It is commonly used in perfume bottles as well as in medical and industrial applications. When a liquid is introduced into the atomizer, it is forced through a small nozzle where it is converted into a mist by the pressure created in the nozzle. This mist can then be sprayed onto a surface or inhaled. Atomizers are often used in situations where a fine mist is needed for precise application, or when a liquid needs to be dispersed evenly over a large area.